If you've had damage to your home or building from a plumbing leak, water, mold, or a fire, you most likely feel overwhelmed and are unsure of what to do first. Unfortunately, you may not have the time to do the research needed to find the best emergency restoration contractors or have time to manage the overall repair process to make sure proper procedures are followed and that things are done right. Getting the right specialty contractor to address your damage right away will help lower the total restoration and repair costs. Trust me, your insurance company will appreciate that you were proactive and took the right steps and were able to not only save them money, but also minimize your damages. SOS Solutions offers free help to Southern California homeowners and building owners as soon as they've had emergency damage. We schedule each specialty contractor you may need in order to fully restore your property in the shortest time possible. We also manage the entire repair project for you from beginning to end until all repairs are completed and your property is fully restored. Our services in helping you find, hire, and manage the best contractors are free. Plus, we've already verified and vetted each of our contractors in our network, so we've already done the work for you. Call SOS Solutions today for your free help in hiring the top emergency restoration contractors in Southern California at 1-888-589-1868.